The Hyundai i20's infotainment system serves as the central hub for entertainment, navigation, and connectivity in your vehicle. Keeping it updated is crucial for improved functionality, security, and compatibility. There are two primary update methods: over-the-air updates and USB-based updates. OTA updates are wireless, delivered via the BlueLink app, and are the preferred method for newer i20 models with active BlueLink subscriptions. USB updates are manual, requiring you to download files from Hyundai's website and install them via USB drive. This method is typically used for older or non-BlueLink equipped i20s. Updates include firmware, navigation maps, and Android Auto CarPlay integration. Make sure to back up all your data before proceeding. For OTA updates, ensure your i20 has an active BlueLink subscription. Open the BlueLink app on your smartphone and connect to your vehicle using Wi-Fi or cellular data. Check for available updates in the app. The system will guide you through downloading and installing the updates. This usually happens during idle time or when prompted. For USB updates, visit Hyundai's official website and download the update file specific to your i20 model. Format a USB drive to FAT32 file system. Transfer the downloaded file to the drive. Insert the USB drive into your car's USB port. Ensure the vehicle is off. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin installation. Always refer to Hyundai's official website or app for the most up-to-date instructions and compatibility information.